This is a quick tutorial about how to actually set up your GoHighLevel site to incorporate both meta products, both your Facebook, your Instagram, and I'm going to show just how what I use is I use an assistable program, and this integrates into GoHighLevel. It does all of the AI automation when it comes to comments, when it comes to messaging, and it also does booking as well too. So to do a quick walkthrough about how I've got my system set up, when I go into my social planner in here, I've got my settings and I can connect in with my Facebook pages. I can connect in with my Instagram pages in here. I then have an automation set up. I've got a recipe that if somebody puts in a comment, let's say AI bot, I just created this right now, so I haven't had an opportunity to connect it in fully. But once somebody puts in a comment, AI bot, that triggers an automatic response. It has randomizer built in. You can add in a new one. Thanks for touching base. I'll send you a direct message in here. So you can randomize this and it will choose one message to push out and it will automatically respond back to the posts. Make sure you save on here. As another example, I've got my Facebook page in here as well, which connects in. So on the Facebook comments, so if it does any comment on any of the pages on here, I've got a publish post, but I can select a specific post if I'm expecting, a higher amount of traffic or volume. I can go in and actually select a post. In this one, I just have any published post just to capture it all. It does automation. It does a ChatGPT response, adds in a comment, it pulls in, this is my Facebook post by a user. You can give it its parameters. It pulls all the ChatGPT. This does cost a premium, so it may be like a couple pennies to do like a poll for ChatGPT as an example. Okay, this is how quick and easy it is to set up your meta into GoHighLevel. I prefer GoHighLevel. I did about maybe 3.5 months of research. GoHighLevel is secure, it's flexible, it's got workflows, it's got full automation. You can do email, you can do SMS, you can do just a multitude of different forms and opportunities and inbound. You can integrate it with your ads. For me, and this is just my opinion, it was probably one of the best CRMs out there that I could grow and augment my business with. What I also have is a Lead Fusion AI launcher, which then ties into Assistable. So with Assistable, it's my preference that I actually really like this. This is a tag-based system. So I can actually build in and design. I can design an assistant that will be listening to a tag, and then I can program that assistant to do whatever task I need it to do. With Assistable, this actually does outbound voice, it does SMS, it ties in through an API connection to GoHighLevel. So on a conversation base, if you request it to have a booking, as an example, you can book calendar events. You can then take those calendar events, send them off to your clients. For me, this was everything. It encompassed all the solutions I was looking for. Yeah, it's been a bit of a rocky road as Assistable has been growing, but their finished product now is phenomenal. I love it. I'm able to grow and expand my client base because of this, and also for my own personal needs as well too. And yeah, if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Okay, good luck.